Hi, in this lecture I'll show you how to calculate intrinsic value of stock under two-stage growth model with Microsoft Excel. In my previous lecture I showed you how to calculate the same with formula approach, but using a formula approach it is a little tedious and time consuming, but using a Microsoft Excel you can easily calculate the two-stage dividend growth model. So I'll demonstrate that for you now. Here I am considering the same example which I used to explain you using a formula approach. Here dividends are expected to grow at a 30% rate for the next 3 years. So we'll take a 1, 2 and 3 years and at the rate of 30%, and thereafter it is a 6%. So your constant growth rate is 6% and this is 30%, and the dividend just paid is $1.80. So we calculate the expected dividend. To calculate the expected dividend, we use Excel built-in function, that is a FV, future value, equal to FV. Then the rate is the dividend growth rate, that is 30%, 0.3, and number of period, this is the first year, year wise we'll take. Then PMT, because this is a year wise it change, so we ignore the PMT. Then minus 1.8 is the current dividend. So this is the expected dividend for the first year. Simply you drag this down to the next 2 years. So here are the expected dividends for the first year, second year and third year. Then we calculate the present value of these dividends. To get present value of these dividends, we use present value function, that is equals to PV. Rate is your required rate. So your required rate is 13%. So 0.13, comma, then select the year, place comma, PMT is not there, so place another comma, minus your expected dividend. Select the expected dividend, close the bracket, press enter. So the present value of your future dividend are here. So 2.07, $2.38, $2.74. Then at the end of the third year onwards, the dividends will grow at a constant rate of a 6%. That means at the end of the third year, so this equals to third year dividend times 1.06. So constantly the dividend will be 4.19 and will grow at 6% thereafter. Now we calculate the value of a constant growth. So as you know, the value of a constant growth is dividend upon required rate minus growth rate. So this equals to dividend, expected dividend, this upon your required rate, that is 0.13, minus growth rate 0.06, enter. So this is $59.88 is a value under a constant growth. This is after third year. Now we'll discount this to present value. So that is, this equals to present value, rate is discount rate, that is 0.13. Then duration is 3 years ahead, so we'll take a 3. Then PMT, no PMT is there. Then the value which you are discounting, so minus your value of a constant growth. Close the bracket, press enter key. So the present value of a constant growth is 41.50. So your value is, this equals to sum of present value of all the future dividends. So $48.70 is the value of stock. So this is similar to what the value we got using a formula approach also. But when comparing with formula approach, calculating the value of a stock using Excel is very easy one. Thank you.